QuickTime Flavour Grill really does make time in the kitchen so much fast, fun and flavourful. Now, a lot of people ask us, when I've got it at home, how do I open it up into that butterfly position so that I've got a grill on one side and a deep dish pan on the other? It's really easy. Look at this. When I open it up and I leave it there, it is locked in place. That's because it has a locking hinge. But in order to make it go all the way down, you don't force it. All you need to do is literally lift that up and then allow it down. So you're lifting it up out of the hinge and then letting it down. And then you've got your grill on one side, you've got your deep dish pan on the other. Now, look at this, the hinge is designed to be flexible. When you do lift it up, it might feel a little bit rocky, but that's normal. It will help you easily transition between the two different positions that you have. All I must say is just don't force it, you don't need to. You just lift it up and let it down. It's that easy.